The 2030 agenda, touted as a blueprint for Zimbabwe's prosperity, has been shrouded in controversy. Sanabna mashoko atona kuti vanhu voya vachiti aiwa this 2030 agenda aiwa zvangofanana zvazvo nokuya uchimwa aiwa from a poison chalice. Not subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Behind the facade of development, the progress lies a more sinister reality. This article exposes the truth behind the 2030 agenda, a proposed constitutional amendment designed to perpetuate the current presidency grip on power until 2030. President Mnangagwa's intentions are shrouded in mystery as he publicly denies clinging to power, while his loyalists secretly push for a term extension. A slogan is making the rounds at party gatherings, chanting 2030 from Mnangagwa Nengwa Chiripo, insinuating that President Mnangagwa will still be in office by 2030. President Mnangagwa's repeated denials of seeking to extend his term beyond 2028 he failed to quell concerns about the true intentions. His actions suggest a calculated strategy to consolidate power, silence opposition, and maintain a facade of legitimacy. The president's strategy of bankrolling his allies has led to surge in corruption and cronyism in Zimbabwe. His approach has created a culture of patronage where loyalty is rewarded over merit, resulting in widespread poverty, inequality, and human rights abuses. The president's loyalists, including businessmen are testing the waters for a potential term extension while maintaining plausible deniability. Chivayo's ties to the president raise concerns about the involvement in illicit deals and evasion of justice. Beneath its inciting facade, the 2030 agenda conceals a sinister reality. This seemingly lucrative blueprint for prosperity is, in truth, a poisoned chalice. Those who are there to take a sip will inevitably succumb to toxic consequences, including betrayal, jealousy, deceit, corruption, cronyism, and a blatant disregard for accountability. Now this agenda kanochinga the push this mantra wotongoza kuti kumberi uko ramakona rakuratopera zvakutya macitizens achiti tojoina here vanhu vachiona kuti aiwa nyika aiwa iri kujoina the ring of corruption ichienda kumawere. Tudze mafungiro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu mafungiro enyu, musana subscribe or like, don't on the bell.